Hello everyone, I'm Vani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. S.N.S.R.K. Here is my video lecture on how to clean tweets in a Twitter. Here, the Twitter, here is a Twitter platform through which our code that text messages performed as a string of query where we have to assume whether the tweets we receiving as English tweets or other unrelated tweets. If there is English tweet, we have to accept. If the tweet is not in the language English, we have to remove the duplicates or a set of tweets. These are the basic form of cleaning tweets. Here, English is the common language using for communication in the social medias such as tweets, Instagram, Facebook, such as etc. Here, we are seeing how Twitter used as a firehouse source. Here in Twitter, we have to tweet a topic based on sentiment analysis pulsar. Here we are categorized into the following state, such as positive tweets, neutral tweets, and negative tweets. The positive tweets are analyzed and classified into positive topic, and neutral tweets are a combination of both positive and negative. We have to analyze which of the tweets are majority, and the negative tweets are the most uncomplimented tweets occurs in this while communicating. By this through SQL coding, we have to analyze, and we have to see the following categories such as positive, neutral, and negative. Then we have to decide by the following keywords by the data accessing by the Twitter through our programming or SQL. The data cleaning should be done as well as whenever there occurs a spam or junk data or junk tweet. In order to clean data, we have to find stop, removal, and tokenization and stemming processes should be appeared. Here, tokenization is the process where counting of words in the following tweets. We have to count and analyze how many words are used as meaningful words, and unused data should be tokenized. And finally, is a stemming process. Through this stemming process, we will analyze the used and unused data by packaging a text mining and sentiment analysis. By this analysis, we will visualize which package should be formed as a cloud package, and which should be unformed and report as a spam. Finally, we have to deliver the text patterns and visualization data for the following tweets. Here is the how a Twitter is processed and how the output of the Twitter is enabled. Here, the first how to clean Twitter data. Here we have to first download the tweets, and after downloading, we have to parse the data. We have to categorize the data which has used and unused data, and a meaningful as well as non-meaningful data. We have to pre-process the tweets and clean the data before extracting the model, extract the features. That we have to clean the unused data as well as meaningless data. Then we have to extract the features. By extracting the features, we can add additional features to classify the prediction which a data which Twitter data has the following uh, unused prediction, and finally we give the output for the label of tweet in a meaningful way. Here this diagram represents a collecting of tweets using Twitter API. First, the removal of URLs. By removing unwanted URLs, we can remove special symbols. By removing special symbols, we remove the username. By removing username, we remove the emoticons. By removing the emoticons, we can remove the hashtag. Finally, we can remove the additional white space that occurred in a URL. By the following removal process, we can remove the whole unwanted content in a tweet and apply by naive Bayes algorithm and compare the result. Here naive Bayes algorithm is a trial and test process where we have analyzed the repeated and useful as well as unwanted data in a, that can be separated in a package, and compare the result of repeated data and unsimilar data. And finally we have to analyze that we have to find a possible solution to this problem is to stem the words. Stemming is nothing but reducing a word from the root word, reducing a meaningful word, that means compacting the words into a the words having similar meaning which has less count. That is the main purpose of this cleaning the tweets process. Thank you for listening my lecture video.